Hey, this is Wes Bailey at Wes Bailey Attorney at Law. Once again, we're getting back into successions. This is a really good area for people who are having some trouble dealing with the death of a loved one, a family member, someone that they know, and maybe they've left you something. Maybe they left you something in a will, or maybe it's your mother, father, and it's just sprung upon you, and you have to deal with it. Right now in Louisiana, we're dealing with property taxes. Taxes are coming out. People are having to pay it. And if you have a family member that recently passed and you haven't done a succession, I'm going to bring up a good point. You probably didn't get that notice for that property because it went to that house. So make sure you check your property taxes, just to kind of give you an FYI. But what I want to talk to you about is something that's pretty easy, is small successions. Small successions in Louisiana are any successions below the value of $125,000. Those are very quick. Those are very easy to do, and those can kind of transfer over what you might need or have that's below that. You don't have to go through the whole rigmarole of the filing with the clerk. You can do it notarially. You can do it with a notary. Very easy, and it's very simple, and a lawyer can do it for you very quickly and really, really cheap. So it's not going to break the bank. You might have heard some horror stories about successions, and I get that because it's out there. So we want to make sure you know, number one, you can do a small succession if the value of your estate, and that's the property of the deceased party, is below $125,000. Let's see if there's anything else so we can kind of talk about. We have some other issues that we could talk about. Maybe if you have bigger successions, of course, over $125,000, you're definitely going to need a judge and to file that and get that before a judge and get a judge's signature. What happens in successions that people really don't know is administrations of successions. So if you have a succession that may have some debt in it, it may have some property that needs to be sold to satisfy that debt, hey, that succession definitely needs an administration. So what is an administration? It's when someone is appointed to be an administrator, an executor, something to that effect. And I can get into a little bit more, but this is just education. This is just educating you. That person is appointed. The court appoints that person. The court gives those people the paperwork to be able to deal with it. And that person can take that paperwork from the court and go and administer that paperwork and administer those